Alright, welcome to the series 2 of this lesson. So here, this is where we stopped in the last series, which is the series 1 of the checkers board game. So we stopped in board.append. So now I'm just going to go ahead straight to create the game loops. So here in the game loops, I'm just going to say that while is to be true, then I'm now going to say that for event in pygame dot event dot get. So here I'm going to use this dot here. Now I'll come down again. Next I'm going to say if event dot the type of the event is equals to pygame dot, then I will use quit in capital letter, then quit in capital letter. That's what I need. Now the next one, I'm going to say that pygame dot to quit in small letters, then I will close it with the bracket and leave it null. Next I'm going to say sys dot to exit everything, then I also close it with this. So that is for the game loops. Now quickly I will have to go down to the board, but I already imported few codes for the board here, so we don't need to waste our time. So I comment here draw a board. If I drop down this, you realize I have the board drawn here already. So this is the board. This is the code for the board after the game loops. This is the code for the board, so you have to look at it very well so you don't make mistakes. So that's the code for the board. Now I need to just go ahead and update the display, so I will just click here and come down, and here for the display I'm going to say that pygame dot display, then dot to flip, and then I'm gonna close it with a bracket. The next, I have a handler, the handled user input here. So for this I'm going to, let me come down a bit so that we can have a good space down. So let me still come down a bit. So for the handle user, I'm going to say that keys is equals to pygame dot key dot to get, then underscore, I'm going to use press. This is it, get pressed. Yes. So now I'm going to close that with a bracket, then I will come down and say if keys, then pygame, then I'm gonna use dot k left in the pygame, so I will use dot pygame dot k underscore, then I can use the left for key handling, then I will close it with this. So that is for that one. Now the next one, I'm going to move this one now. So let me move the piece for the left. I'm going to say to pass the piece, I'm going to say if keys, then I will use this also, and inside here I'm going to say I'm going to quickly say in this one, pygame dot k left for this one. Then I need to change the left to the right from here. Yes, let me use this for the second one, which is the right. Then outside I'm gonna have this, and then to move this one I'm going to also say let me see, to move to the right I'm also going to say that pass this one, and if keys, then I will use this again, and inside I'm going to say this one is for the right, so I will say pygame. Then let me edit this left and use up. Okay, up. This is it. Also I will end it with this. Then the next one I'm also going to pass this one to move up. Then I will say pass, and then I will say if keys pygame, then I will change this one to k down. Then I will end it with this also. Then lastly I will come down and also say this one is to pass. So I think we should be done with that now. So let me just quickly go through the games. So I think we should be done already with this. Let's scroll to the top from where we started, from here, from number 1 till we got to the last number, which is the number 88. So this is the key binding. So this is, we have bind up all the keys on the keyboard, the up, the left, the right, and the side for the game handling system. So now let's just quickly save this, and let me go and save from here. Click on file, click on save as, and wait a bit, then quickly click on check, since that is the name of the Python file. I don't forget that I changed the name from checkers board to check, so it doesn't matter, you can still use the same way you were doing your own, don't worry about that. So I will just save it. So now let me go straight to view so I can run the game. Then I'll click on terminal here. I give it few seconds for the terminal to load so we can run our game and see if it really working. So now I will just say that Python, then the name of the file is check.py. So let's run the game and see what happens, if the game really comes up like the normal way it should be. Beautiful. So we are done with the game already. So thanks for watching this video. I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Goodbye.